Okay, good afternoon, people. Please pay attention as we are going to present our project, which is a, an automatic farming system. Okay, so the main problem that occurs nowadays is the growing population. And as of November 15, 2022, our population has reached 8 billion. So how are we going to feed all these people? Me, you, and everyone in this room. And also much more beyond that. The answer is an automatic farming system. Just imagine a system that can conveniently place in your house, and then you can use it to grow whatever you want. You know, put everything like you want inside the plant itself, pesticide-free, insecticide-free, and also it is very sustainable. But we also know that not everyone has the time to take care of the plant. That's why we invent the automatic planting system. Check it out. So basically, inside the bottle, which acts as the water tank, we put water. Okay, so we put water. So this platform right here, the Arduino board, it has the humidity sensor. So that means if the humidity,
Careful. Someone holds the weight just in case. Don't, make sure like the electronics don't get too submerged. Yeah.
So basically, when the humidity is low, probably like below 20% or such, the servo right there,
It's the water is pumping down.
it will open. Okay.
Yeah, it's already open.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, but when let's just fill it. Okay.
Okay, careful. Somebody holds the bottle so that it doesn't fall again. Yeah. Yeah. Don't get too close to the water as well with the board. Yeah.
Right.
Okay,
So
careful.
it's
Let's
still
start.
open, but when the humidity is high, which can we can set from the Arduino application itself. We can set it and then upload it to the board. It will close if it exceeds the humidity threshold that have been set before.
So right now the humidity reading is low. That's why it's open so that the water comes in. Is that what's happening?
Because humidity is very
Yeah, the humidity is very low, so that's why the water keeps pouring. So
All right. So one way we can, if you want to show it close, there's one way. Pour that water inside your bottle cap and place it quite close to the humidity sensor. It should be spiking up. Right now. Not like that. Use the little cup. Use the little cup. The blue cap. The blue cap. Yeah. Just pour a little bit of water there. Place it close to the humidity sensor. Just yeah, quite close, but not too. Is the level spiking? Is it spiking up? Careful. Yeah, don't pour it, but it should be spiking up right now. Like that. It got stuck at. Yeah. Oh,
it's rebooting.
nice.
So it started spiking.
Okay, let's move on.
All right, that's okay.
Let's move on. Just explain it like it's actually close.
Okay, so if the humidity is already high enough, then the tube right here, the servo will move, will rotate. That makes the thing right here, it will close the bottle and then the water will stop pouring. So basically, it is like,
Yeah, it just closed.
It's just closed. So here it is. Okay, so the benefits of this is this can actually increase the efficiency of the agriculture system. That way, every house can have their own planning system, which you don't have to buy any of those store-bought vegetables, which probably contains a lot of chemicals that you probably don't want in your body. So that way you can make your own sustainable plant system. So here it is from our brutal group.
Okay, I think probably the feedback will be a little bit the same. Like when you present something, your products, mishap can happen. This is a prototype. Like some things might not work. So it's better to be ready whenever especially when you go to the presentation. Like have a contingency plan, and also probably, I'm guessing you guys haven't really tested the product before. So probably it's better to actually do, maybe you already did testing once, but probably a lot of products, they do numerous testing before, probably a dozen times before they actually sell the product. Otherwise, if you guys remember Samsung Note 7, that's kind of a product that's already been released, but actually have a problem with exploding battery. Exactly. So that means I'm just telling you guys product design process. There's a lot of steps that you need to go. So again, this is a 2-day hackathon, so we don't really expect you guys to kind of have all this contingency plan. But yeah, but you should at least think about it whenever you want to present it. But I think it's a very nice prototype. You actually use an actual soil and actual plants.
Yeah.
So I think applaud the effort there.
Yeah, I have to commend you guys. This is a very neat contraption work. Yeah, obviously it's such a shame that the humidity sensor is very, very, unstable.
Yeah.
So that's why maybe one way is to prepare, let's say if you couldn't get the humidity sensor you want, you already have contingency. Okay, how do I make the humidity level higher? Or you can control your threshold before you come into, when you were sorry, because people were presenting. So I think you could have figure out, okay, what's the humidity temperature of this room? Then sort of work in your code, change the threshold so that it fits the environment of the room. But overall, I think you did a very great job. That's okay, and more to come. Definitely it requires more practice, but it's okay for a 2-day work. This is amazing, I think.
Actually, we did change the system, but the board itself takes a lot of time to restart itself. So that's it.
So there's a delay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Now you have the experience, so you
you can work
prepare for
better.
the next time.
Okay. Make sure if people need servo, please ask from them because they still have servo because they just finished presenting. Okay, who's next? Let's go.